So I have already created this star material in lots of my previous tutorials. So I thought let's create a separate video of that. So people who really want to learn to create this star texture through material, they can watch this tutorial. So I have some parameters here also, this density or maybe this offset. That is very useful. I used in last tutorial. So it was really useful. Then I have this power, and this is the radius I can increase. Okay, so if I make the radius high and power, so it will be like that. Let's reset. Then I have this rotate, and because surely 0 is like this, if I make this one, it will just rotate like this. So I can rotate it like this, or if I make it down, it will be like this. So I have these parameters, so I'll create it again. So these are my material. Let's create a new folder, and in here and close these tabs also. So I'll make a material, and what you have to do is you need to take a texture coordinate. Oops, sorry. U for texture coordinate, Shift C for mask. Okay, and subtract. So this texture coordinate starts from here. This is 0 and this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay. And when you subtract 0.5, this 0 will become minus 0.5, 0.5. And then this point where this was a 0.5 before, but now